Hello, hello, hello. Magandang araw. Welcome to my channel. Ako nga pala si Mystico Moreno or in short, Mismo. At dito sa akin channel, we will manifest love and light sa inyong Tagalog love reading ngayon na Mismo. Okay, so ang gagawin natin ngayon ay ang inyong love reading para ito sa lahat ng Gemini. And let's see, ano yung masasagap kong energy from the Gemini Collective. As I always remind, tarot and oracle readings lalo na yung mga general readings like this may or may not resonate with everyone because yun nga, ang tinatap ko dito ay ang energy ng madlang Gemini. Okay, so take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Kapag hindi talaga nag-resonate, huwag pilitin, abangan nyo na lang yung mga susunod ko pang live reading. Baka mag-resonate yun sa inyo. Kaya best to subscribe to my channel para updated kayo sa mga ipopost kong video. Or, panoorin ninyo yung mga past videos na nagawa ko na baka isa doon ay mag-resonate sa inyo. Dahil ang tarot and oracle readings ay timeless naman talaga. Okay, so bubunot ako ng 6 cards. 2 for the recent past, 2 for the present, and 2 for the near future. And i-clarify pa natin siya further with the other deck. Okay, simulan na natin. I'll get the 4th card dahil April ngayon. So recent past, we have the 3 of Cups and Page of Coins. Present moment, the High Priestess and Strength card. Near future, the Emperor. Oh. And 8 of Wands. Bottom of the deck, Knight of Wands. Okay. So you might be dealing with a Aries with a Cancer or Pisces and with a Leo. Okay, so doesn't have to yun lang yung strong energy na nasasagap sa reading na to. Okay, pero check nyo rin yung Moon, Venus, Rising placements nila. Baka yun yung mga signs nila sa mga placement na yun. Okay, so in the recent past, there's so much collaboration between you and your person. You share happy, so ang dami yung happy moments together na you share. And nakikita ko dito na you support each other sa lahat ng mga bagay, sa lahat ng pagkakataon, sa lahat ng mga kaganapan, events in your life, diba? Saka, hindi lang sa lahat ng aspeto, I mean, hindi lang kuwari, moral support, emotional support, also financial support, diba? Or, I mean, literal na, very physically, like, your person helps you sa mga stuff na kailangan mo ng tulong. So, there's a lot of support and a lot of happy moments together. And with the that's with the 3 of Cups. And with the Page of Coins, very loyal tong person niyo sa inyo. And I see naman that you are also loyal to this person. And lahat ng mga actions, yun nga, di ba yung support na pinapakita ko, is in action. Hindi lang siya parang hanggang salita lang, pero may gawa din. Okay? So, let's clarify further this good energy in the recent past. So, that's what happened in the recent past. And I think na nadala naman siya in the present moment. Okay, especially with the Strength card. So, habang binabasa ko, gusto ko magpasalamat sa lahat ng Gemini na patuloy na sumusuporta sa aking channel. Thank you so much po. Sobrang appreciated sa mga bago. Please support my channel by subscribing to Mystico Moreno channel. Also, for mga regular na at sa mga bago, please support my channel by liking this video. It really helps the channel grow. Comment naman kayo sa baba lalo na kung mag-resonate. Okay? And, yeah. Bunot tayo dito. Okay, 3 of Cups and Page of Coins. 7 of Pentacles. And Ace of Cups, di ba? There's so much love. Kaya, ito yung energy. Kaya marami rin kayong happiness together. Dahil, nasagot na, mahal nyo yung isa't isa. Di ba? Kapag mahal nyo yung isa't isa, everything will really fall into place. With the Ace of Cups, talagang happy kayo. There's so much abundance. And some more with the 7 of Pentacles pa, it's growing. The relationship is really growing. The recent past, nag-start na siya mag-grow. That's why in the present moment, there's the Strength card, meaning your relationship is really going strong. Lahat mga any pagsubok, yung malilit na bagay, hindi niyo na rin masyadong iniintindi, inaayos niyo na agad. And with the High Priestess, there's this, alam mo yun, deep connection between you and your person. Alam mo yun, mga, despite that High Priestess is the card of parang mystery, ganun. That part of yung mga information is, may mga bagay na parang hindi nyo na kailangan pag-usapan, pero dahil deep yung connection niyo, alam nyo na. Parang hindi na kailangan sabihin pa yung mga bagay na kailangan gawin. You do it proactively, especially nakakabit siya with the Strength card. So it's a really nice connection between you and your person. Very good yung dynamics ninyo. Okay. So clarify natin siya further. Okay, see the Emperor and then the Emperor here. So, double confirm lang siya, plus the Chariot. So, you might be really dealing with an Aries and a Cancer. Pero here, talagang going strong na. Very, alam mo, talagang nagpo-progress pa yung ano ninyo, yung relationship ninyo. There's this pursuit of happiness. Alam niyo, yung mga challenges na overcome, very determined kayo na magpapanatiling stable, maayos, masaya, no conflict yung relationship niyo. And with the Emperor card, there's so much stability. Okay? Alam niyo yung mga roles niyo, alam niyo yung mga bagay na accountable kayo, at you're doing well. Both of you are doing well. Kaya nagko-contribute ito sa very stable and balanced relationship. And this balance, talagang this. Hindi, kasi natutuwa ako na at the present moment, the Emperor, that stability, that responsibility is currently nangyayari na sa present moment at madadala pa siya in the near future. So that sense of stability, responsibility. So, hindi mo na kailangang isipin. Talagang very okay itong relationship na to. Especially from the present, shifting to the future, the Emperor card is both there. And with the 8 of Wands, nakikita ko dito na again, mas magpo-progress pa, mas magkakaroon pa ng growth. And so, sobrang yung momentum nung magandang relationship at the present, madadala pa siya in the future. Pero, syempre, let's add more details sa future na kaganapan. See? So, 5 of Swords and the Magician. So, sinasabi lang dito that whatever yung mga like conflict, mga issues, di ba? With the 5 of Swords, yung mga problems, mga, alam mo yun, kahit yung mga simpleng tampuhan, ganyan, madali siyang ma-resolve. Bakit? Kasi nga, with the Magician card, alam nyo, you really have the tools. You're very stable emotionally, physically din, very healthy kayo together. Alam mo yun, physically, emotionally, even spiritually, financially, sobrang okay yung relationship, yung mga elements na yun or aspects na yun ng relationship. Kaya whatever conflict, parang sinasabi dito na whatever conflict, first, you know your roles. Again, the Emperor card is there. You're responsible, you're stable na whatever mga conflict or issues na darating in the near future, mare-resolve siya agad. Maayos siya with the Magician. Parang, hindi naman sa mamagic ninyo, but the Magician energy is something na kayang gawa ng paraan lahat ng bagay. Kasi you have the capability to do it. And yung mga sinasabi kong tools, yun na, you have the experience, you have the knowledge, you have, for example, if it's money related, you have the finances to resolve it. Okay? If it's something na parang tampuhan, very emotionally mature kayo, you have that tool to fix things. So, ano man pumasok sa relationship niya. And what you don't see coming with the Knight of Wands and bottom of the deck, the Moon. Diba? So, again, what you don't see coming is there's this mga si Knight of Wands here. Okay. So, hindi niya it's in the relationship that there's you have this, alam mo yun, yung kasi si the Moon is a card of secret, pero yung energy na nakukuha dito, lalo na nakakabit siya kay Knight of Wands, which is a card of pursuit, of confidence, eagerness. And dito yung you have that secret. Gets mo yung parang tatanungin kayo ng mga tao, oh, what's the secret in the relationship? So you have that secret of yours, kayo lang din talaga nakakaalam yan as a couple. And you have that secret recipe, kumbaga, in the relationship that makes the relationship very, very yummy. Gets nyo? So, yeah, sana nakatulong itong reading na. Napakaganda na reading ninyo, Gemini. And I hope you claim this energy if lalo na if nagre-resonate sa inyo. So, kita-kits na lang sa susunod ko pang love reading. Ako nga pala si Mystico Moreno at kita-kits dito lang mismo. Ingat!